Story time, study time, and fun time with Kidzo Studies.
A. A for ambulance. B. B for bread. C. C for cactus. D. D for daddy. E. E for envelope. F. F for fish. G. G for glue. H. H for hanger. I for ice cream. J. J for jam. K. K for kangaroo. L for lamp. M for Maggie. N for necklace. O for omelette. P for pan. Q for quick. R for rectangle. S for snake. T for tomato. U for uniform. V for vest. W for window. X for xylophone. Y for yummy. Z for zero.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.